Hello guys, you are watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys today I am here with a very demanding video that is all about Germany visa. So I have got so many questions and queries, so I will be clearing all your questions, all your queries, everything in this particular video with an expert. So I am collaborating with an amazing team member of Career Talk. She's basically the owner of Career Talks and she is Manpreet ma'am. So let's welcome her. Let's go. Hello, ma'am. How are you? First of all, welcome you on my YouTube channel once again. So,
Thank you.
I'm feeling so amazing that I'm collaborating again with Career Talk. So that's great. Thank you so much for time and efforts for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so ma'am, basically today I have got so many questions regarding visa. That will be in a student visa or a job seekers visa. So basically I have got so many questions, so I have selected very less questions because every question answers we cannot give in a particular one video. So I will be asking a question and you just have to give the best answer for my audience. And guys, first of all, let me tell you, ma'am is also having YouTube channel. Please do subscribe them and the link will be in the description, so don't get it. Okay, so let's start. Are you ready, ma'am?
Yes.
The first question is, what is the checklist for applying for a long student Germany visa?
Long student Germany visa, normally a student visa. Right. It's a, if we talk about the student visa category, it's a comfortable visa. According to that student visa, you can convert any category of visa after reaching Germany.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a so much comfortable. If I talk with some students who have a lot of experience in this field, any field, and they want the direct job options there, then we suggest them go for a double masters or triple masters on the student visa. According to that, you get the 3 years long-term visa. In between, you can all easily learn language class, like German language, and easily crack an interview to get a job there. So
Okay.
it's student visa is the most comfortable visa which can easily convert it into every visa, right?
Okay.
And the checklist, what the main, if we go for a student visa, they're all qualification certificates are required. 10th 12th certificate, it's a graduation certificate, mark sheet and transcript, everything, their CV, their passport, and their motivational letter, SOP, their block account, and all these documents are mainly completely required for the embassy file.
Okay, so the next question is, how can I apply a long-term visa, Germany visa basically, which is dependent on my husband's study visa.
Okay.
Husband is studying in Germany, and the next question is this: do we need to wait for my husband to get a job, or I can go directly when he is in student visa?
Most of the cases, if I tell ki if both wants to go to Germany, and there is a one option we suggest always, then both are go for a master's visa.
Okay.
Separately on a student visa, both files we log in through master study visa, right? According to that, they have the same platform, they reach Germany same time, and they can, there is no if they no continue their master's degree, there is no problem. If you have an experience, lot of experience, you have an eligibility, you crack an interview there, you get direct any job, then there is no issue if you no do their master's job in Germany, because you are nothing to pay to German universities.
Exactly.
Right? First you complete your German language course and you have enough experience, then you can easily crack the interview and continue your study visa converted into job visa.
Okay. That is easy to convert.
Yeah.
Student visa into job visa is
Yes.
easy. If you get the
Yes.
job, then only you will get. Or
Yes.
before that.
Right. Right now, so if her husband can apply for student visa, then if she wants to, after when the husband get the job, then she can apply. Yeah, it's true. Or when the husband is on student visa, then there is no option to call her wife to live there, and because she can also work there. No, her wife also visit on the student visa, and after that they can do part-time job and support their study, then have an eligibility, then crack an interview, then get a job visa directly.
Okay. That's really interesting answer because so many people are so much confused for such things. Okay.
Right.
So the next one is, What are the requirements for Germany visa? Is there any interview questions for that?
Yeah, interview questions are there. If I say that normally they are asking that actually my visa team is separate who can arrange all these queries regarding that. For that, I just when the students log in their file with us, my application department coordinate with them for what the checklist and they required. After that, my visa department coordinate with them for the all visa training and all process. All file is matlab completely prepared by us for all the queries. They get the proper training and then they can crack the all interviews. And if you want to know the all queries related that, I can give you the list. You can mention all the queries points in the checklist description box also.
Yeah, please. Thank you so much, ma'am. Otherwise, I have made some of the videos, I think so, some time back regarding interview of visas, because I have got so
Okay.
many queries. So I have made some videos. So I will be putting in link description. Plus, I will be getting more questions
Yeah.
from you. So that will be much helpful for the people.
Right.
Yeah. So the next one is, do I need to open a blocked account for Germany job and student visa both, or only for student or only for job?
Student visa, it's compulsory. If you go for a student visa, then it's compulsory. There is a need of job block account, right?
How much amount in block amount, ma'am?
Right now, it according to Indian currency, it's 9 lakh. Euro rates is high. So it's a 9 lakh you have to block in your account for 1 year. It's a German government rule. If you reach Germany for your studies, you have to show some money in your account for your living cost.
Okay.
And there is one most best option if you want the loan for that. There is an option for block account loan, which you can easily get from HDFC Credila Bank.
Okay.
Directly call HDFC Credila Bank customer care number and ask them if you plan to study in Germany for student visa. They can give you the all details. What they need to think, they need a collateral as any property if you have in Delhi and what is your hometown, right? Always try to call your near branch.
Okay.
And they can asking as a guarantor any working person in your home.
Okay.
These two conditions, if you fulfill your collateral and your guarantor as a working person, if you fulfill these two conditions, then your file is eligible for the block account loan. All other rest documents you need, what you need, the university offer letter, language offer letter, all these documents you can get from your consultant. They can easily provide you to fulfill all the document file for getting a loan for block account.
Okay.
And one more best option, if you get a block account loan, then for that you have to pay EMI after 1 year.
Okay. That's
Yes,
really
that's a benefit for you. Mostly students ask there is any option for educational loan for Germany, then there is no option, because every time bank gives the loan to universities, but in this place university charging nothing, so bank gives loans to where, so there is an option for block account option. So go for block account loan option and do studies in Germany.
with no tuition fee.
Yeah.
Okay. So the next one is, when the student visa get expired.
Student visa, generally starting you get the visa of 3 months, right? In the beginning you always get the visa of 3 months. After reaching Germany, after 3 months your visa get renewed, proper city registration can be done, visa extension can be done.
Okay.
When you are in university, in your campus, there are different offices from where you can recognize, your city registration can be done and your visa can be extended. Your visa sometimes can be extended for 1 year, can be extended for 3 months, again can be extended for 3 years, full degree also.
Okay. Depends on the college.
Depends on your, yes, depends on the documentation, depends on the course.
Okay. Okay.
Every time you have to extend your visa.
Yeah. Exactly. So for that, they have to go to the particular office, or only the college office will work.
Now, particular offices are also there, because in the beginning students are not directly in the colleges or university. At the beginning they are in the language institutes for completing their language for B1, B2, C1 or B2, C1. For 4 to 6 months they are in the language institutes. At that time there are no offices in the university they have to visit. At that time there are particular offices from where they get extend their visa. They do all the documentation there, they can extend their visa, and according to that they can starting and they can get a 2 years of extension of their visas. If they fail from any exam, if they are not continue clearing all exam, if they fail in maybe they fail in language proficiency till C1, then again they can give the till C1 in 3 months, after 3 months. And if then again fail, then again do after 3 months. So for that, at least you have to clear C1 before entering the university. If you again and again fail in your C1 till C1, that is a language proficiency exam. If you again fail in your language proficiency till exam, then there is a limit up to 2 years. In between 2 years, you have to complete this exam. If you not complete your exam in 2 years, you have to come back to India.
Okay.
Yes, if you clear your exam within 2 years.
But I
Sorry?
haven't. This is something new which you are telling, because I don't think so. The people who are thinking to do this, they will be not knowing this. So thank you so much for telling.
Mostly they can clear easily till C1. It's not well, a student can afraid if I'm not clearing till C1, though then student can't fly to Germany. You can fly. You can easily clear C1 till C1 exam. But if you're not clear the C1, that's a hidden term. But that's what I am telling you, that there is a limit of 2 years. Between 2 years, there is an option. You have to enter into some institute and some university for extended your visa. It's compulsory for you.
I got the. So the next question is, how much time does a student visa for Germans takes place in India when we log in something in a German embassy? How much time it will take?
Actually, if you start the process from the beginning, you not know the German language also. It takes 3 to 4 months. In 3 months you learn A1, A2. On the meanwhile, we can do your all visa process also. In 3 to 4 months, you can completely eligible to fly.
Okay. And right now, what's the situation for German visa?
We are still waiting for the embassy to be open.
Okay, it is still closed. All the
It's open for English taught master programs. Those students who have a confirmed admission letter from the universities, only for masters English taught program students, they can get information. They can get from the VFS, not from embassy.
Okay.
So they have an interview in VFS. VFS is a separate thing from embassy. So they can date appointment dates from VFS. VFS taking their dates, they can give the interview, and the number of students can clear interview also. They are on the time at the time of stamping. When they can stamp their visa, they are ready to fly. But now till October 14, flights are not fly. So they have to wait. They are maybe getting the tickets of 20th of October.
Okay, so the next question and the last question for this, which I have selected for the visa one, is what is the total cost from India to Germany as a student or a job seeker visa? And can I do part-time jobs for my total expenses in Germany?
Yes, of course. If we talk about the total expense through my side, it's around Indian currency around approx 6 lakh.
Okay.
In 6 lakh, whole your German language fees is included A1 to till C1, and all German services, all visa process, all documentation, embassy file, everything should be included in that. And plus your 9 lakh in your block account. That is the whole process.
That is different. 9 lakh is
9 lakh is in account. That's the student's money. That's only show money. Other that, apart from 9 lakh, they have to maintain for a 6 lakh also for the whole process.
And in this, the flight tickets are there or not?
Flight tickets are by students, not included in that.
Okay, and if they flew to Germany, then they can do part-time jobs in Germany.
Yes.
And they can basically get the revenue for the basic stuffs, which
Yeah, they can eligible to do part-time job after 3 months, because it takes 3 months to complete their city registration. After 3 to 4 months, they can do easily part-time job there. And there is also an option if the student go for private universities of German, which I never suggest to students to go for private. But if students go for private, there's a lot of fees. In that case, also the student do the part-time job, they can earn to pay the university fees. As much as earning is there, there are a number of options of part-time jobs are there.
okay, that's really great, because people want to
Right.
know that how we will be surviving their Is that the only 9 lakh amount which we will be having in block account? And one more thing which I personally want to ask, because so many people have asked me that when block account opened in Germany, after 3 months or 1 month, what's the duration?
No. When you fly from India, when you get your visa date, before 15 days you can block your account, it's okay. Right? There is no need to show old funds. That account will be blocked, and when the student reach Germany, then the block will be activated within 2-3 days, within a week.
Okay.
Right? Because from the first day students need money. But we always suggest students to take them to carry some cash also. So because in the beginning maybe some technical issue or some maybe 7 days it takes to activate in your block account process. And when the block account process is activate, student eligible to get 60-70,000 from their account, withdraw their money for your living cost for accommodation, right? And for 1 year it's blocked. When the students again enter into the university at the final stage, because from India they get a conditional offer letter.
Yes.
After completing all the conditions, then we do again all the applications for complete their all files and to get the confirmed admission letter to enter in the university. Again they have to show the block account. So by doing part-time job, again do the refill your block account so that university gives you the confirmed admission letter.
A huge process which you guys follow. That's a huge.
It's a huge process, but it's the best part. Why to pay so much funds to the universities in the place where Germany gives you a quality education?
Exactly.
These universities are world-renowned universities, top-world universities you get there, and quality education, practical education. So while we are paying to private universities or Canada, UK, you have to study everywhere. You have to study in Canada also, you have to study in Germany. So do study for where the education is free of cost.
Where you are saving the money and you are, in fact, you can earn more money.
Yeah. I always suggest students do part-time job, not for your living cost also. Most of the family says that we can refill their account, no need to do the part-time job. But it's a culture, every student could do there, and it's a respected job, right? And I always suggest to do part-time job because it increases your confidence level, increase your market knowledge. It all these helps you at the time of company interviews.
Exactly. Plus, your German skills will be improved.
Exactly. Practical practice of your language.
Exactly. So that's it for today's video, ma'am. Thank you so much for being there.
Welcome.
Thank you so much, and I want you to do more and more videos with me. And
thank you. Anytime.
Students feel so much happy when you give the brilliant answers which they actually need from someone and they don't get it. So thank you so much, and guys, please do follow and subscribe Career Talks. So I will put the links of Instagram and Facebook and whatsoever YouTube links you have. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, welcome.
So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. On coming Saturday, new video is coming up of my award show. I hope so you have seen the pictures, because so many of you have I have already got so many greetings from you all. So thank you so much. So the whole video will be coming up, and if you have seen the unboxing video, then it's fine. Otherwise, the link will be in description. Please go and watch how I received and when I received. So see you guys, and please take care and keep learning German with German Gyan.